foggy morning, everyone. It's so foggy this morning because the rain started last night until this morning. I cannot harvest my blue turnip because it's wet. So maybe tomorrow when it gets dry, we will going to harvest. Yeah. Look at my blue turnip flowers have a lot. Yes. Very cold and windy morning today. Oh, so cold. Yeah, so cold. I'm going to feed our chicken this morning, and there is duck. Where are the other ducks? Oh, they are out. Yes, they are out. Windy. Windy morning. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.